Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a drawing compass. First, let's get familiar with its parts. A compass typically has two legs, one with a sharp needle point and the other designed to hold a pencil or pen. At the top, you'll find a hinge that lets you open and close the legs, setting the distance for your circle's radius. Many models also feature a small adjustment wheel for fine-tuning your measurements, ensuring accuracy in your work. Now, let's get your compass ready for action. Begin by securely inserting a well-sharpened pencil or a fine-tipped pen into the designated holder. It's crucial that the pencil tip is positioned just a tiny bit, perhaps 1 or 2 millimeters, shorter than the needle point. This slight difference prevents the pencil from slipping. Finally, firmly place the needle point exactly where you want the center of your circle to be. With your compass set, it's time to draw. Hold the compass gently by its top hinge, applying just enough downward pressure on the needle point to keep it stable. Now, with a smooth, continuous motion, rotate the compass around the fixed needle point. Let the pencil glide across the paper, forming your perfect circle. Remember to maintain consistent pressure and a steady hand throughout the entire rotation for a clean, even line. Beyond simple circles, your compass is a versatile tool. You can use it to accurately measure and transfer distances by setting the radius to a specific length, perhaps 2 or 3 inches. It's also excellent for creating precise arcs and segments, essential for geometric constructions. By combining multiple circles and arcs, you can design intricate patterns, mandalas, or even complex technical drawings, expanding your creative possibilities with this simple instrument.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.